Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So behind me is my scallion. I'm going to show you guys up close. So right now I'm in the greenhouse. It's been raining in Long Island, New York here about 4 to 5 days now. And I can hear all the lightning and thunder coming down. And I'm like thinking, should I even be here? Should I even take a chance to do this video right now? It's kind of scary out there, I don't know. This video we're going to talk about all about scallions. So I didn't get a chance to keep up with the scallions, and now the weather's cooler. It's perfect for the scallions. Scallions are really good to grow in fall time, springtime. They're really, really good, guys. And the good thing about scallions, now I'm going to tell you, once you plant scallions in your container or you plant it somewhere outside, you never have to plant back scallions in your life. I'm serious. So basically, this scallion's been in this container for 3 years now, and it's still going. Every spring, it will wintertime. You will see, all you will see is this brown piece right here, going down to the root left. Everything else I harvest and everything else will turn brown. Come back spring, it's gonna grow back. It grows back right up, and then when it grows back, so guys, when this grows back spring, it will grow, and some of them will bolt. Some of them will basically bring in the flower on the top, and that flower, it means it bolting. Now when it bolt, you could either harvest it really fast, or you could leave one of them to bolt, and when that one bolt, the only bad thing, you're gonna lose that one scallion, but that flower is gonna, when that flower is growing and it finished growing, it's gonna produce a black seed, a bunch of black seed, which is scallion seeds, and you could replant them anywhere else you want. So it's free scallion seed. So buying the scallion seed one time, or even buying it from the store. And what you guys could do, normally I know a lot of people grow scallion in water, a cup of water. You could literally put it in your water, and the root and the plant will just grow. Me, I like to leave it in the soil. You leave it in the soil, it keeps growing back non-stop, and it looks more beautiful and it looks more nice and stuff. That's why I leave it in the soil. And then I got all my plant here in soil, so I leave it this way. And then what I do, sometimes I add compost, sometimes coffee ground. Scallions like a lot of nitrogen and water, but you could see by the rain was dripping down, I had to move the container over here. It was getting way too much water. Another thing, guys, if you see your soil is getting green, it means it's too much water there. So you can see this one spot was getting a lot of water. This spot looked a little dry. So I'm just gonna try to toss everything in here for you guys, so you guys learn and know how to grow scallions and take care of your scallions. When you're harvesting scallions, make sure they're about 7 inches and up. And you could see my scallions are how, look at this, healthy scallions. So your main stem coming up, and you can see how it branch off. Now I don't cut it from the main stem, guys. I cut it right here. So I cut it from right here. I leave at least a ½ inch. Look, I'll show you. Oh my god, I could smell that right away. So look, I leave about a ½ inch to an inch, and this is gonna regrow. You cut it and it regrow. And same thing, you cut in all the spot and it will just regrow. So the scallion plant is amazing, guys. It's one of the most amazing plant ever in the garden, because you do not have to buy one of them go bolt. As I said, could produce more and more, and you just keep, and winter time it goes away, and then it comes back springtime. All you gotta do, add some fresh compost, fresh soil, or add a coffee ground with water, and you're good to go. Make sure your container always have hole in the bottom. You can see I even put one on the side. Alright guys, so my daughter just put on her raincoat and decided to follow me in the rain. Good job, Grace. And you can see my scallions, they're standing up straight, and they're healthy, and they're like fat scallions. They're not like scrawny looking and like this one right there dying. When you see a scallions like that, basically the soil, it just has to plant a little bit more deeper, add some more fresh soil, some coffee ground. Use coffee ground is a key and a plus. That's the only thing I always add when it comes down to scallion, guys. So you could hold all of them if they're all ready, and ½ inch, leave ½ inch, and just harvest them. And another thing what you could do when you finish harvesting your scallions, this is what I do, guys, and I'll tell you all the time. Wash them out, and then I actually cut them. I cut them about ½ inch, and what I do, I put it in a Ziploc bag, and I store it in the freezer. And this way they stay frozen, fresh, and crunchy. And when I'm ready to cook, you just toss a little bit inside, and they're good to go. And guys, if you see any dead one or any bad stuff, go ahead. It takes an extra 30 seconds or so to go ahead and pick it out. And you kind of clean it, make your garden look better, make your container look better, and it's more healthier for your plant, especially if you have a lot of scallions. You want to keep it clean. Anything that's hanging down, just get rid of it. And what you could do now, what is gonna happen? I'll show you that. So what is gonna happen now? I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna try to straight, like this one is crooked right here. I'm gonna try to straighten it up, put some soil over here, kind of have it go. So right here, after you harvest this, guys, get out all the bad stuff. I'm gonna cut all these one that's no good. And basically what I'm gonna do, I have this container here, the water's been dripping down there too. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these one. I'm telling you, I've been really bad with my scallion plant this year, so I'm gonna move some of them, and I could plant some of them in here, but I might not do it because the weather's coming out to winter time. It's really fall weather, so I might just clean this up. Not gonna water this. Once you guys see it's green like this, leave it for a couple days. Let the water, let the plant root absorb the water. Maybe another 3-4 days, then I'm gonna add some water, some used coffee ground, and this is good to go, guys. Let me show you right here. So you can see fresh scallion. The smell, oh my god! You go in the store and you buy that, guys. It does not smell like. If you go in the store and you buy your scallions in the bag and you come home and you cut it, it smells a little bit. But if you cut the fresh one and you smell the fresh one, it smells like 100 times stronger. And the flavor, it's rich, and it's rich flavor. So growing scallions in your home, it's the best thing you could do. It's easy. It's one of the easiest thing you could do. You plant the seed, and for years it grows and it grows. I don't want to make this video too long, guys. It's getting rainy and crazy, and my daughter's ready. She's basically picking out all the peppers and stuff here. Show you guys. So she's picking out all the peppers and stuff, and she's having a blast. Make sure not as spicy, alright? I think that's a green one. That's good. Let's keep our finger crossed. So basically, if you guys have any question when it comes to scallions, please comment below. Hopefully this video was helpful, guys. If it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together, guys. I'm in Long Island, New York. We're in the greenhouse right now. Please subscribe. It's 100% free to join. Please share my video, guys. Recommend to other people. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time coming up on GreenTGarden. Hopefully the rain is end today. Day 5, I think, with the rain. I had enough of the rain right now, guys. I'm telling you, I'm done. The wind, the rain. I see a lot of branches I have to move and pick up. Tomorrow should be a better day. And I'll see you guys next time coming up on GreenTGarden. I have a lot more videos coming up, and I do keep adding shorts to keep you guys entertained, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.